In front of me is Oppo A3 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And go back to your keyboard by hitting this arrow at the top left one. Now to continue, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard icon and access your text over here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, tap on your sentence and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, use pen again, click on your sentence and tap on pin icon instead of a pin one. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!